Billy, what are you doing? Are you a little restless? I noticed it in the feet. I was sitting here watching for a little bit. Anyways, let me come in. I'm gonna have a seat right here. Would you like me to read you another story? All right, now. Settle down. And we'll pick up right where we left off. Let's see. Oh, here we are. Portland, Oregon. Another haiku from your grandfather. A spicy burrito, arcade games or laundry. Why should I decide? Those words. What do you think of that? Look at this one. That boy, I swear, he always loved his tacos. Especially messy. Oh, I remember this one. That was a special day. Go ahead, Billy. Take a closer look. What kind of delicacy is he eating? Does that say aloha? Wow. Isn't that something?
Welcome to Portland, baby. So we made it from Seattle to the OZ campground, and now all the way into Portland, Oregon. We're here, jam on Hawthorne Cafe. So, in our minds, Portland is just a mountain of food and we're gonna eat our way through it. So from place to place, we're just gonna eat, do food reviews at each spot. Right now, we have the Tommies Joint Burrito. This is a burrito jam-packed with a ton of stuff. I happen to add a little spicy pork to it because I'm a spicy guy. Right here, we got a half, it doesn't look like this when they give it to you, a half drinked, Bloody Mary. Spicy. Spicy. Here we go, let's dive in. Oh. Incredible. Oh. Tough to explain. It's just one of the greatest breakfast burritos I've ever had. 3 scrambled eggs, black beans, spicy chorizo. They even have a vegetarian chorizo in there as well. 10 out of 10, I gotta say. Portland, you're not upsetting me yet.
So we're here for an Uber review. Currently with the best Uber driver I've ever had, because we were driving along, it was nice and quiet, and he goes, "Happy Monday." Gives us this delightful little treat bag. We have our Butterfingers, Snickers, granola bar, Hershey Kisses, some hard candies, a mint, and hand sanitizer. I already had my Butterfinger and my granola bar.
Moves pretty fast over there.
So I'm gonna go into the baby Ruth.
When during Easter, I gave out those Reese's eggs, along with some other candy. And after Easter, Fred Meyer had a big sale on all those eggs, so I bought up a big supply of them. Those are my favorite.
Close as that.
Well, Peter, what do you think?
What does it remind you? It's like a day at the ballpark with Pop, you know?
Yeah, garbage put it outside.
That's something special. Something special. And garbage. Uber driver, 11 out of 10. Hands down. Oh, ho, ho.
Action!
So, we're here now at a traveling tap house. They have 24 beers on tap. They have ping pong tables, cornhole, foosball table, and we
activity free for all, basically.
Lots of activities, yeah. And so we were walking along, and we decided to have a beer. I got a Kolsch, and it's very nice. I give it a 6.5 out of 10.
I'm sitting here with a Nitro Pale Ale. I think it's Bridgeport. I'm not totally sure. The ambiance is just right. You got a water fountain right behind me. A couple guys, good company. 10 out of 10.
Hey, got a passion fruit sour here. Haven't had a sour since I've been on the trip, so quite excited to get my hands on one of these. I'll give it a 7 out of 10. I love me a sour beer. Aside from that, they got ping pong, foosball, cornhole, like Peter said, all these outdoor sports things to do. Pretty rad. I'm in. I'm sold. 10 out of 10 for the whole situation.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I agree. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Yeah.
10 out of 10. You're on. I'm on? Alright. So we came to food trucks today. There's a bunch of them. Is there a name for like kind of like the... It's just like a bunch
We're on
of...
Mississippi Avenue.
Mississippi Avenue in Portland. And it's just a bunch of food trucks put together. Main reason we came here is because I don't want to eat what these losers are eating. I want my own. So today, we got some ramen. This is a pork bone broth ramen. Got some noodles, got some fried tofu in there, some braised pork. Essentially the works. So let's see how she tastes. It smells wonderful. I did get it spicy. That is a common theme. I love some spice. So let's see. Get some noodles. Noodles are good. Check the egg. It's got still a little yolk in there. It's still slightly cooked, semi-cooked. And piece of pork. Delicious. I give it 8 out of 10. We'll definitely eat it again.
You got beef jerky.
Beef jerky?
Waterfall beef jerky. It's pretty good. I mean, I just wanted something different. Kind of just didn't know what to get. Haven't had beef jerky in a meal, so here we are. It's pretty good. The sauce is spicy. That's it. I'd say I have to think more about it to really give you my informed rating.
Hey guys.
Oh, I got sticky coconut mango rice.
Ooh. And how is it?
I really like it. It's sweet,
Looks good.
coconutty.
I'll be diving in to get that for dessert, I think.
Yeah, it's really good.
Absolutely.
I wasn't super hungry.
So, great timing, I guess.
Very great timing.
I got a chicken taco and a steak taco with a mountain of guac. There's some sour cream on here, and there's kimchi and a spicy sriracha sauce in a soft shell. Wow, definitely got some weight to it.
A little intermission, back to the beef jerky. I'd say 8 out of 10. It's all good. Pretty good.
We should just do everybody's second bites.
Okay,
Back to
know?
Peter.
I'm just gonna get in here.
Oh, dirty boy.
That looks really good.
Wow. That looks amazing.
Looks like you're having a lot of fun eating that.
Wow. So much going on here. It's just a diverse fiesta of flavors, you know? And when I bit in, I got multiple textures, and I got the coolness of the guacamole, and then I got the warm steak, which is delicious. Nice and sloppy, just the way I like it. 8 out of 10. No, 9 out of 10. It's a 9.
We are here at my favorite brewery in Northeast Portland called Great Notion. And I have a flight of beers here.
Online, I was like, this is
And we're gonna go through them one by one and do a little review. Starting off with the key lime pie Gosa. For those who don't know how to pronounce it, it's Gose. It's nice, it's light. You get a little bit of that tart acidity from the lime.
I'm blowing my carrots.
You get a little bit of sweetness from whatever they, whatever part of the pie they put in here. I don't know what it is. It's good, it's bready, it's delightful. Moving on. This is called the Wildling, inspired by one of the greatest shows to ever exist, Game of Thrones. It's fermented in Chardonnay barrels, so I'm gonna throw my pinky up for this one. Ooh, that is nice. Nice, like, tannic astringency on my tongue. It's making things pop.
It's good.
Woo. Moving on. This one's called Pineapple Space Invader. The description says, OMG, watch out. OMG, watch out. That's just bursting with flavor. This one is the Juice Jr., the son or daughter of Juice, I guess. This actually won 2017 Beer of the Year in Portland. It is fucking fantastic. It's like a hazy, kind of funky New England style IPA, and it is damn good. And this last one, the three-way IPA, the Ménage aux Trois, is a collaboration between Great Notion Brewing, Reuben's Brews out of Seattle, and Fort George Brewing out of Astoria, Oregon. And it is a damn fine mix-up of different styles. Also hazy, kind of funky IPA. 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10, 7 out of 10, 9 out of 10, 9 out of 10. Whole experience, 10 out of 10. All right, here I have a nice little dish of waffle fries, which brings up the age-old question, which came first, the breakfast or the fry? They have this nice racket shape, reminds me of my young days playing tennis on the Nintendo Wii. And it comes with a really unique side. It's curry ketchup, which is great because, you know, ketchup's kind of wearing on me. And the curried ketchup, it's just got a real delightful kind of tanginess to it. It's got some savory notes, it's complex, it's got some depth, and we're gonna take a bite. 10 out of 10.
Hi folks, we are here for a Spanish coffee review here at Huber's, right?
No tea, Huber's.
Huber's in downtown Portland. We just came from thrift shop, got ourselves some funky outfits. And what better way to celebrate than by drinking Spanish coffee? And, fun fact, Spanish coffees were actually invented in Portland.
The only drink invented in Portland.
So we're going to give it a whirl.
Oh, it's delightful. It's rich. It's a touch sweet. Mine is chilling.
It's the words right out of my mouth. It's, you know, celestial is the word.
It's a must try.
Yeah, I'd say Spanish coffee, 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Yeah.
Here we have Montreal Fall. Ian's diving in for a closer peek. But at the start, there's a huge waterfall. I don't know, 100 feet maybe, who knows. It's really high. This is a bonus waterfall. Had no idea that it was there. I'm not a big waterfall dude in the sense that I haven't been around many waterfalls. You know, New Jersey, they're pretty few and far between, so this is definitely the grandest one I've seen. 10 out of 10, you know, gotta say it.
think that's it for now.